morning. This is Ananya and you are watching News Flash. Today's news headlines are: Trump says bad things will happen if Afghanistan does not return Bagram Air Base. US President Donald Trump on Saturday threatened bad things would happen to Afghanistan if it does not give back control of the Bagram Air Base to United States and declined to rule out sending its troops to retake it if Afghanistan does not Bagram Air Base back to those that build it. The United States of America, bad things are going to happen, Trump said in a Truth Social post. Trump said on Thursday that the United States had sought to regain control of the base used to American forces following the attacks of September 11, 2001. He told reporters on Friday that he was speaking with Afghanistan about it. Let's move on to the next news. Arab NATO, an idea whose time has come. On 15 September, leaders from across the Arab and Islamic world gathered in Qatar for an emergency summit. What started as a meeting to condemn an Israel airstrike on Qatar's capital Doha provided to talk about an Arab or Islamic NATO, a military alliance aimed at protecting Arab and Muslim nations from threats such as the one Qatar faced on 9 September. Qatar, which has hosted Hamas political office since 2012, saw Israel airstrikes as a violation of its sovereignty. Remember, Qatar is a close US ally. It hosts the largest US airbase in West Asia. Let's move on to the next news. GST Utsav from tomorrow. PM Modi calls it a festival of saving for all Indians. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday announced the launch of a nationwide GST Utsav from the first day of Navratri on Monday, describing it as a festival of saving for the people of India. The initiative coincides with the implementation of new GST rates across the country, addressing the nation. PM Modi said that from September 22, citizens will be able to purchase a wide range of products at lower prices under the new Next GST framework. Next Gen GST reforms begin implementation from tomorrow. It is like a GST saving festival. From tomorrow, you will be able to buy favorite items with ease. This is like a GST saving festival for every Indian, he said. Let's move on to the next news. India is producing record levels of energy to achieve self-reliance in the power sector, supported by diversification of its supply sources. Union Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said at an industry event, India is producing more energy than ever before. With the rapidly growing demand for energy, India has diversified its energy sources. Earlier, we imported from 27 countries. Today, we import from 40 countries, Puri said. Let's move on to the next news. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde lauded Prime Minister Narendra Modi ahead of the GST slab implementation from Monday and said that reform were a revolutionary decision from the common man, the middle class, women, farmers, traders, small traders, shopkeepers, and this would boost consumption, production and employment. That's all for now. Stay tuned and keep watching News Flash.